But trust me on this, the training was not a typical one which we encountered in our college days with the PPT slides and stuff. During the entire training, it was always knowledge transfer. Prograd training journey not only involved the technical sessions, but it also had enough soft skill sessions, which I believe is, very important. So before Prograd, I was just like a normal IT student who had exposure to few of the technical languages, which was just limited to the college curriculum. Okay, so I like to explore different technologies, but never deep dived into any. So before joining, I had an open mind to learn and grow and see what comes in my way. I was from Techno India Salt Lake, Kolkata, and my department was information technology. So I was accustomed to computer science stuffs and computer science technologies from the beginning. But as I mentioned earlier, like I never deep dived into anything because of the college curriculum restrictions. Okay, so basically, I used to follow this Prograd's Instagram page from earlier only. So one day, while scrolling through my Instagram stories, I saw a post stating that Prograd is hiring women for train and hire program in association with ThoughtWorks. So I registered for it, and then we had various rounds of evaluation, and it was a great experience. After each and every round we had two coding rounds followed by a code pairing round and one technical interview round and a cultural fit round. And the code pairing round of ThoughtWorks is what makes it different from other companies, because it's not like a typical sort of interview wherein you are given a question problem statement and you need to work on it. Rather, it's a very interactive one where both me and the thought worker who took my interview, we both discussed about the problem statement and then approached to the solution together. During the entire training, it was always knowledge transfer. We learned by asking questions, and the more we asked questions, the better we learned. And as days passed, we were introduced to various concepts like test driven development, which was totally new for us. But we always learned by doing, and so we did not feel like it's boring. And also, I did not even realize when these 3 months passed, and I learned so many things during these 3 months. And we always had an hands-on experience on whatever we learned. And apart from these, I would like to mention here that the Prograd training journey not only involved the technical sessions, but it also had enough soft skill sessions, which I believe is very important before stepping it into the corporate world. The one benefit which I can mention about is in my college we used to learn about the theoretical concepts first, and then we used to come back to our home, and then if we feel like we can apply those and implement those in real world problems. Okay, but here in this program training journey, it was not like this. It was like we started learning by implementing things. As on when we started solving the problem, we kept on learning things. So it was the reverse of what we learned in college. Prograd support system was really amazing. We had to take few leaves because of our college exams and stuff, but we never missed on anything because of that. Our mentors were always available on Slack, and they also shared with us the recording of the session so that we don't miss out on anything. And we're always ready to clarify all our doubts. And the entire training, which I found unique, was based on feedback sessions where our mentors would provide us time to time feedbacks so that we know where all we need to improve. And not only did they tell us the areas where we need to work on, but they also mentioned the areas which we have improved on or which we are good at. So it kind of boosts our confidence. And we also had various channels on Slack, one of which was Code Help channel, which really helped us because there we could post our doubts and help each other out. And it was always give and take kind of a relationship wherein we used to help others and others also used to help us. It was not like the trainers used to pick up one topic and teach us about that. It was not like that. I feel really great that after these 3 months of hard work, these 3 months of hard work have really paid off. And now I can call myself an official thought worker. And I'm really looking forward to implementing my skills, whatever I have learned at Prograd in ThoughtWorks. And I will be starting this phase of mine with an open mind where I'm ready to learn more as I started my training journey. The first thing which I would like to mention here is, like, before I joined this training, I wasn't very confident both in terms of technical skills and soft skills. But now I can, proudly say that I am industry ready and my soft skills have also improved a lot. I never hesitated in asking questions or sharing my views on something because I was an extrovert person who never hesitated in speaking. But this training has channelized me in a way wherein now I know, like, what I need to do and what I need to avoid. And I know the importance of seeking feedbacks and giving feedbacks, which I'm sure that this would be beneficial for me in the upcoming days as well. And I would suggest that people should join this program because it gives a great boost to your confidence. It makes you industry ready, and whatever self doubts you have before joining a company, or after going through this program, all these will be gone, and you will become a better version of yourself after these 3 months, that is for sure. And for people who don't know about Prograd, they can they can dig deep into the YouTube channel of the Prograd or the Instagram page. Like, it's really important to follow the Instagram page, because I was the one, like, who got this information about this women hiring drive from the Instagram page itself. So I think that it's really good to follow these pages on social media.
Your dream tech career at a top product company is just a step away. Visit prograd.org, check out our latest tech programs, and kickstart your dream career in tech.